Guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to do a diecast video and show you some stuff I picked up today. First we have a Lesney Matchbox Ferrari. Next we have a Johnny Lightning Show Rod. This car is from the Fireball 500 movie. It's a Johnny Lightning Show Rods. Next we have another Johnny Lightning Show Rods. This is the Wildcat Johnny Lightning Show Rod. We have another show rod, Johnny Lightning Show Rod. This is the Copper Cart. We have another Johnny Lightning Show Rod. This is the Emperor. If I'm not mistaken, all these cars were built by George Barris. Next we have a Shelby Cobra from the Shelby Collectibles series. Next we have, I believe this is the Boot Hill Express, or a copy of the Boot Hill Express, and Johnny Lightning's Frightening Lightnings. Next we have another Johnny Frightening Lightning, Johnny Lightnings. I believe this is supposed to be the Elvira car. Elvira Macabre Mobile. And this was the Boot Hill Express. Next we have a Ghostbusters Ambulance in blue. And the Johnny Frightening Lightnings. We have another Frightening Lightning. The Ecto 1 in gray. We have another Frightening Lightning. It's the Christine car, only it's in pink instead of red. Next we have the Vampire Van. And Johnny Lightning's Frightening Lightnings. Next we have Mysterion in green. The original Mysterion, I believe, is yellow, like on the package. Johnny Lightning's Frightening Lightnings. Next we have the Hall and Hearst in orange. I believe the original Hall and Hearst is purple. I have one more car I have to get for you that I dropped on the floor. I'll be right back. The last Frightening Lightning I have for you is Casper's Undertaker Dragster. Sorry about dropping this one in the floor and taking a lot of time. Alright guys, if you like the content, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.